Well, this is my life right now. Ooh. Alrighty y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the bars, the grips, and the shifter on the 125 SSR. As you can see here, the bars got a little tweaked and bent. Grip got a little messed up. The shifter got a little messed up here. Took a little spill, no big deal. So what we're going to do today is just super simple. Just get these bars replaced. I'll take you guys step by step through the process. Be a pretty quick, easy video. You can replace these bars in about 30 minutes. So we'll just jump right into it. So we're gonna take our brake cleaner. We're gonna just save these old grips, even though I probably won't use them again, but we'll just save them. I'll show you guys how to remove them without kind of destroying them. So we're just gonna take some brake cleaner with the little tube on there, and we're just gonna spray just real lightly into the grip. And as you can see, it just loosens it right up. Grip comes right off. Same with the other side. So we'll just get the bike straight up and down so we can, the brake cleaner will kind of flow that way. Same thing, just kind of squeeze. Pop right off. We have new grips. Like I said, we're going to be replacing the green ones with these red Pro Taper ones here. So if you guys want to save your old grips, that's the best way. Just kind of squeeze it up, pull it up, get a little brake cleaner in there, let the brake cleaner work its way down, and then just pull the grip right off. So now what we'll do is we're just going to loosen all the accessories up, the twist throttle, the brake, the clutch, the stop, and then after that we'll loosen the bars up. So it's just a 8mm socket to loosen up the brake and clutch lever here. And then we'll just grab our Phillips to loosen up the stop. It's a 5mm Allen for the quick twist throttle. So everything is loose now. So what we'll do is we'll loosen the bars up. This is a 6mm Allen. And then I think 13 or 12 at the bottom. A 12 at the bottom. So we just have our 3/8 ratchet, our 6mm, and our 12mm. Pop those forward. Then we'll just take our electric ratchet, get this off the rest of the way. All right. So now that we have the bars loosened up and taken off, we could slide everything else off. Nice and simple. So now we'll take our new bars and we'll get these installed. So we just drop those bolts through, put the nuts on. Then we'll slide everything else back on. Okay, slide that on there. So we'll just loosen these up so we can put the brake back on. So now what we'll do is we'll just loosen this up here. So we could flip that up. So now that we have the bars up and on there, we have this up, we'll just kind of snug this down and then get the bars where we want them. And it's a 6mm Allen and a 12mm wrench to tighten these up. I think the bars are good about there. Tighten it up with our impacts. We want to make sure we tighten both down about the same amount. All right, so now that the bars are tight, we're gonna get the centerpiece tightened back up. Just our 5mm Allen. Make sure this side's tight. So now what we could do is we can throw our grip on this side, and then we'll get this side adjusted, then we'll move over to this side here, get everything adjusted where we want it. And there's two sizes to the grips. There's a 24 and a 22. The 22 goes on the bar side, 24 goes on the throttle side. We're just gonna take our brake cleaner, spray a little bit in there, spin it around. Get it all the way down. So now that we have the grip on, we can get this clutch lever adjusted. This is a 8mm socket. And then we'll get our E-stop in place. And now we will move on to our throttle side. So we'll take our 5mm and we'll just get the snug into place, the throttle. We'll keep it a little loose so we can move it and adjust it if we need to. And then now for our brake, we'll get our brake snug. What we'll do now is we'll get our grip on before we tighten these two down. So same thing, we'll just take our brake cleaner, we'll grab our grip, spray a little brake cleaner in there, spin it around, and then we will slide our grip on. Just like that. So this one's locked into place, this one's locked into place. We're all good to go. So now we'll get our brake lever and throttle locked into place. Yeah, just about there, leaving a little bit of space there. Get this guy locked into place. All right, so that's that for the bars. Now what we'll do is we'll get into replacing this here. So as you can see, our new one, these two prongs broke on this one, as you can see in there. So I think it's probably going to be a 5mm. So I just like to take that Allen all the way out, because sometimes this is a pain to get off with it out, because you have this basically clevis there that locks it in place, so you have to take this all the way out to get it off. When you're installing this, you want to make sure it's going to be at the proper level for your foot to shift it. So I suggest putting it on and then sitting on it, making sure you're comfortable with where your foot's sitting in between there to shift up and down. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go one more little rotation down. No, I think that's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna keep it there. I'll go ride it and see how it feels. So when you put this bolt back in, you have to make sure that you're on that little crevice on that shaft there to make sure that the bolt actually locks this shifter in place so it doesn't slide off on you. So you could get the bolt back in and just kind of do a little pull test on it. So now we'll go for a little ride, make sure everything feels good. All right guys, we got the bars replaced, put everything back on. The bike is feeling good, looking good, back to normal. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.